What size particulate matter causes asthma harm outdoors? Imagine breathing in tiny particles that can sneak deep into your lungs and cause trouble. That's what happens with certain sizes of outdoor pollution that affect people with asthma. Particulate matter, or PM, is made up of tiny particles floating in the air. The two main types that can harm those with asthma are called fine particles and coarse particles. Fine particles are known as PM 2.5, which means they are 2.5 micrometers or less in diameter. To picture that, a micrometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. These tiny particles are so small they can go deep into your lungs and even enter your bloodstream. When this happens, it can cause airway inflammation, make it harder to breathe, and trigger asthma attacks. Even small increases in PM 2.5 levels outdoors can make asthma symptoms worse for both children and adults. Coarse particles are a bit larger, ranging from 2.5 to 10 micrometers in size. These are called PM 10 to 2.5. They tend to settle in the larger airways of the lungs. Although they don't go as deep as fine particles, recent studies show they still play a role in making asthma worse, especially in children. These particles often come from sources like road dust, brake wear, tire particles, and other mechanical activities. When people breathe in coarse particles outdoors, they may experience more respiratory symptoms and need emergency asthma treatments more often. So, both fine and coarse particles can cause problems, but fine particles are generally more dangerous because they can reach the deepest parts of your lungs. To manage outdoor triggers, it's smart to check air quality reports that include PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels. On days when these levels are high, it's best to stay indoors or limit outdoor activities, especially strenuous exercise. Using air quality alerts and planning outdoor activities when pollution is lower can help prevent asthma flare-ups caused by pollution. In summary, particles 2.5 micrometers or smaller are the most harmful because they penetrate deep into the lungs. Coarse particles between 2.5 and 10 micrometers also contribute to asthma symptoms, especially in children. Keeping an eye on air quality and avoiding outdoor exposure when pollution levels are high can make a big difference in managing asthma and staying safe outdoors.